Do you think you could have won the presidency if you were up against Catherine Connolly?
Well, I mean, I can only look at my record in terms of my performance electorally, and of course you can't, look at one election and compare us to the presidential election. But I mean, I certainly believe that, I certainly would have finished it anyway. And on top of that, I think that I would have been able to withstand the scrutiny in terms of my individual record as a person and also as a politician. And I think I certainly would have performed to the point where it would have been, a two-horse race towards the end. There was always going to be one candidate coming from the government side and Catherine Connolly on the left. That was always my view, and I think that I would have certainly put forward a very strong case for a centrist politician, a politician that has represented that cohort of people. I'd attract the Fianna Gael votes, and I certainly would have looked forward to a contest.
Would you go for it again?
Well, it's been 6.5 years away. A lot of water will flow under many bridges in Ireland between now and then. So the reason I put my name forward was that it became evident that Catherine Connolly was going to be supported by Sinn Féin. Fianna Gael were identifying Heather Humphreys, and I felt that if Fianna Fáil had a good candidate, and if they could get ahead of Fianna Gael in terms of during the campaign, that it would become a two-horse race between, as I said, government, centre-right, and those that were opposed to government and on the centre-left.